Before this song was made, the vibe was already in the blood. Not uti. Okay, let me explain. Growing up, my grandfather used to blast those old cassettes, Yondo Sister, Awilo Longoma, all those classic Kwasa Kwasa and Rhumba magic. Those sounds shaped my ears before I knew what producing was. So when I sat down to make this beat, I wasn't just making music. I was stepping into that childhood nostalgia, that warmth, that energy I grew up around. So that's how I came up with this beat. So I started with these chords, major scale, bright, something I would play at my own wedding. See, the chords are just clean, joyful, pure good energy. See, listen to them. Vibing to this chords, this bassline was in my head, bro. Like, I had to lay it down before I forget it. So this is my cheat code. And once the bass is right, the whole vibe shows itself. Listen to the bass. Then to keep everything rolling, I added the sequencer, I can't explain it, I don't know, to push the groove forward, I think. And with the drums, just started beating my desk, cha 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 cha. It's actually the drums I used to play when I was a kid. Listen to them. And to glow everything, like to put the energy on that chorus, I added the choir, and in the second chapter, I sprinkled some bells. See, that ear candy. Not the floating in the sky feeling. Feel like you are levitating. Listen to the whole thing. So I knew the beat was unique, so I had to send it around, Started with Leo. Yes, Leo Magos. He's actually the big artist. He loved it, and that was it. I sent it to Maseko. My bro Maseko is actually good. He got a new EP, go check it out. So I sent it to Maseko, and we are in different lanes. And then I sent it to J Mole, Wani Mole, shout out my brother. It's actually my uncle. Send it to J Molly. But I said it's fine, you couldn't jump on it. And that's cool. Then I send it to my artist, the problem solver himself, Elroy, lyrical lieutenant. The next day, he put out to the studio. No hesitation. I was like, oh, okay. So I think maybe with royalty, he now knows my vibe, and it's easy to him now. Dude just came with a complete different vibe. Took a happy beat, turned into an anthem for the struggling. Raw prayers, asking God to bless his hustle at the end of the day. Which is actually good, yo. And that's the magic. See, that's the beauty of it. Happy beat, raw, hungry vocals. No perfect singing, man. Just the truth, straight from the heart. You see, we came up with this. Amazing.
Pachaye chinoniwisa pasiu at yourself.